So now you just have to realize that it's not out there. And when you see that, then maybe you'll be willing to try the little meditation. And give yourself to God the way you give yourself to everything else. You give yourself to every group, every leader, every teacher, every minister, every friend, everybody that asks you for something. You give yourself to them. And if you get upset and angry at them, you're also giving yourself to them and you're failing them. Can you see that? When you hate someone or you resent someone or you judge someone or you're impatient with someone or you're impatient with your kids, can you see how in that moment you could have been calm and instead you reached for the little candy bar for your ego, for your pride. See, a little candy bar a little high and judging them. See, puffing up like a cobra. I once had, a long time ago when I used to sell real estate a little bit, there was a nice title officer. I can't remember her name right now, but we used to talk sometimes. A very nice lady. And she said, sooner or later in life, you have to realize that you're not the queen of the world or the king of the world. See, sooner or later you have to realize that, yeah, you can puff up and resent someone or judge them or have contempt for them or look down on them, but on the other hand, you don't have to do that, do you? So now, would you please try the little meditation, especially the free one? You can go to sheddingshackles.com and find it. If you can't find the free one, then find just a regular 4-part meditation, and the first part is free. It's beautiful. It could do you a world of good.